In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Facebook ads account and add money all in just 5 minutes. Let's get started. First, you need to open your web browser and search for Facebook Ads Manager. This is the platform where you'll be managing all your Facebook advertising activities. Once you find the official Ads Manager page, click on it to get started. At this point, if you haven't logged into your Facebook account yet, you'll be prompted to do so. You must enter your email and password just as you would when logging into your personal Facebook account. Make sure you have these credentials ready. After entering your login information, simply hit the login button. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll need to set up your ads account if you haven't already. You should have a Facebook page, as it's necessary for running ads. You can create one by following the on-screen prompts if needed. Now that you're in Ads Manager, it's time to add funds to your account. This step is crucial because no ads can run without a topped-up balance. To add money, locate the Billing and Payments section in the menu. It's usually on the left hand side, so keep an eye out for it as you navigate through Ads Manager. Once you're in the billing section, click on Payment Settings to access the payment options. In Payment Settings, you'll see an option that says Payment Method. Click on this and it will allow you to select your preferred payment method. Facebook offers several options such as credit cards, debit cards, and even PayPal. Choose the one that you're most comfortable with. After selecting your payment method, it's time to set it up. Add your credit or debit card details or link your PayPal account, depending on your choice. Be sure to double check the information you have entered for accuracy, as any errors could lead to failed transactions later on. Once you've entered the correct payment details, click on Save to confirm the information. This step ensures that your payment method is ready for processing future transactions. By saving this information, you're essentially setting up your account to make ad payments swiftly and securely, and that's it, you've successfully set up your Facebook ads account and added funds to it. Now you're all set to start creating and managing your ad campaigns. This setup allows you to reach a wider audience and effectively promote your products or services on Facebook. Thanks for watching and happy advertising.